Hi guys, this is James with Hearing Aid 911. My Boulder community in Colorado was heavily impacted by the Marshall Fire on December 30th. And I'm starting to hear from people who lost or damaged their hearing aids in the fire, and I'd like to help. So if you or someone you know lost hearing aids in the fires or they're not working now, it's a result of Superior or Louisville or other places where the fire sprung up around town, please click the link and fill out the Google form that is attached somewhere to this video. And I'll reach out to you and I'll see what I can do. I won't charge you anything to investigate your repair and replacement options, but your manufacturer might charge you a fee. We'll just have to see, and there are no guarantees, but I'd like to help you figure out what your options are to get you hearing again as quickly as possible. I guess it's just my little way of helping my friends and my neighbors and my community to rebuild, because I get it. I totally understand what you're going through. I'm going through it too. This is my home behind me, and the ambulance, if you can see behind that stone pillar, is that's what's left of it. I call it the fire truck now. So I lost my home and my business to the fire, but it's okay. We're taking care of this stuff. My family narrowly escaped, man, by the skin of our teeth, and we're so grateful to be safe and together, and that's the most important thing. However, we are in the same boat as you, dealing with FEMA and digging through the rubble and looking for housing. So please be patient with me as I work around these logistical challenges. I'll get you squared away. We'll figure out what's going on with your hearing aids, but I'll need a little patience as I figure out how to navigate the process with everything lost to the fire. If you're interested, I'll provide you a link somewhere in here with updates about my family's fire journey. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell for updates if you want to do that. But more importantly, if you know someone who needs help repairing or replacing their hearing aids because of the Marshall Fire, share this video and the link, and let's get them hearing again as soon as possible. It's hard enough, it's scary enough to deal with this, but to deal with it and not be able to hear the important updates is brutal. So, it's hard, and we can do hard things. And if we continue to come together as a community like we've been, the work will still be hard, but our ability to do it will be that much greater because we are Boulder strong. And there's a reason that we say that here in Boulder County. This family of Boulder residents, Boulder County residents, is made up of people just like you who prove that loving our neighbor, like these guys behind us who are cleaning up, it's a team sport. And right now, it's an extreme sport. And we need all hands on deck. We need all of our help. And so I'm here to help you. I know you're here to help me. And I appreciate all the efforts in this community to lift and support. I want to be one of those people. And so please reach out if I can help with your hearing aids. We'll figure it out. Thanks.